Hey coders, today we're exploring how to handle eval error in JavaScript using try catch. We'll see what happens when you evaluate an invalid expression and how to catch that error gracefully. Understanding this pattern helps you write safer, more resilient code. Let's dive in and take control of risky runtime evaluations. When we evaluate a well-formed expression like 30 plus 30, we get a valid result 60. But an incomplete one like 3 plus leads to a syntax error. Although it's not technically an eval error, we can still catch it with our try-catch block. This example shows how eval can both succeed or fail dramatically, so handling is essential. Here's the code. We define a function evaluate expression that takes a string and runs it through eval. If the expression is valid, the result is printed to the console. If there's an error, the catch block takes over. We check if it's an eval error specifically and handle it separately from other types of errors. When a string is passed to eval, the interpreter tries to execute it as a code. If the expression is valid, the result is shown in the console as expected. But if it is malformed, JavaScript throws an error, which we catch. We then verify if it's an eval error to provide more precise feedback. We tested two inputs. The first, 30 plus 30, is valid and returns the result 60. The second, 3 plus, is incomplete and leads to an error because it is not a complete expression. That triggers the catch block, which logs an error message without stopping the script. This way, we keep things stable even when the input is unpredictable. You might wonder, why use eval at all? It is useful in very specific use cases. Think online code editors, calculator apps, or tools that evaluate formulas. But when you allow dynamic code input, error handling becomes critical. Try-catch with eval error protection ensures your app does not explode on bad input. To wrap up, eval is powerful but risky. It executes dynamic code, and that comes with errors. By wrapping it in a try-catch block and using instance of eval error, you make evaluation safer. This gives you control and lets your program respond instead of crash. Always use this pattern when evaluating unknown code. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.